been saying for years, hey, let us be your data center. Let us be your productivity platform. Let us be your IT infrastructure, basically, right? They've been saying that for years. And if I put my system admin hat on or my CISO hat on or CIO or whatever my place in the organization is, if I don't feel comfortable that my data is going to be safe in your cloud, I'm probably not going to buy from you, right? And I know when we talk about 365 specifically, it's arguable that there's nothing else on the market that can touch it in terms of features and capabilities. But if I run the risk of having a security incident, losing my data, having it breached, I'm probably going to settle for a not as feature-rich product set, right?
Yes, exactly, right. And this is a big thing. And there will be lots of organizations now that are saying where they have been resisting going to the cloud, there will be lots of organizations with lots of old IT guys with beards who go, like, see, I told you, this is why we're not going to do it.
Yeah.
We're not going to do it. It's much safer to do it here. Now, literally, unless you're the NSA and you're building the most secure systems on the planet, your on-premises systems are very, very, very unlikely to be more secure than the cloud.
Right.
But
Yep.
it's perception that counts. It's perception that builds trust. Like, we can't all go to Microsoft's data centers and see all their security. We can't all do code reviews of every line of code in Azure or Microsoft 365 and understand it. So it's all about the perception that we get that gives us the security or not. I'm just going to bring Hornet Security back.
Oh, gotcha. I see the background changed on you there.
It's very bright. No, like, no, I don't want that.
No worries. It takes me back to a direct report I had back in my early career who said, perception is everything. Perception is everything. And he was, of course, talking about it from a customer service perspective, right? But to your point, I've written in articles about this before. Eric Siren and I have actually talked about this on this show, and I'll link that episode in the show notes as well, about exactly what you just mentioned. Good luck trying to build a data center as secure as Azure, AWS, etc. on your own. I mean, given enough time, resources, sure, maybe you'll succeed, but we're talking money, lots and lots of money and time to do that, and expertise.
Also, realistically, in a commercial sense, it won't be worth it, right? Like, unless you're a defense contractor and you're building, I don't know, nuclear missiles for the US military or something, that's different. But for the rest of us normal businesses, right, like even if you're dealing with sensitive stuff, you could do that. But the amount of ongoing cost, etc., will make you less competitive in the market, and that doesn't make any sense.